Hi and welcome to 60 Seconds At, a series of 60-second videos in and around the Lake District. Keep up to date, please subscribe. Lacy's Caves are a series of 5 chambers in the red sandstone cliff of the River Eden, just north of Little Salkeld. Almost a 4-mile round trip walking from Little Salkeld, but well worth the journey. On the way there is a stone map, an abandoned mine, the Settle Railway and of course the River Eden. The caves are named after Lieutenant Colonel Samuel Lacy of Salkeld Hall, who commissioned their carving in the 18th century. The reason for their creation is unknown, however they were used by Lacy for entertaining guests.